We are in Tamarron Fulshear side. Can I find a house with the less than $410,000?
Of course you can, especially this one. This one is 2,600 square feet, 5-bedroom, folks. 3 full bath, 2-car garage, an office.
1 story.
1 story for under $410,000.
Yeah. Under $410,000. You heard it. Under $410,000 brand new house. Okay.
I am Sid Javaheri with Realty.
And my name is MJ too. We are the same company.
So let's go ahead and show you some of the features of this home, and you're gonna see and you're gonna love this layout.
And whatever you see, whatever you can get.
Except the furniture. Because
except the furniture. And let's go see the house then.
Let's do it. So the model home is built in the new section of the Tamarron, and this is the Fulshear side of it. And I guess, Mr. NJ, you're gonna just show it.
Yeah,
turn the camera
sunny
around.
Outside. It's a beautiful.
It is really sunny. It's hot. I don't particularly like this color, but you know, it's just the way they decided to paint it. But I love the design of it. What do you think?
I'll go with the different color, but that's a house. It's nice. The paint, you can change it all the time.
Well, you can show that one right next to it.
Look at that.
Just quickly. Yeah, that's grayish. It's nice.
Yeah, you can go with the house.
I guess they know what they're doing. All right.
You know, some people, they like that kind of color. Okay, let's go see the house.
So first thing you're going to see is the house is a smart home. Comes with a push button panel, you know, just to open and close. And
we're inside the house.
Take a look at this layout, how open it is. My goodness.
Look at that. When you're standing in the kitchen, you can just see everywhere. We're going to go there too. Okay. Talk about this.
So the house, again, we said it's a smart home, comes with this panel that works with your Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, and you can control most of the activities that you want to do in it.
When you say you can control it, what are you talking about? You know, like tell me about, you know, what you can control. What?
You can control your garage door. Then
okay.
You can set it up for
thermostat,
AC, and also for alarm. Door. Yeah, nowadays these are expected in the new homes.
Yeah, when you go with the smart house, it comes with it. It's exactly. Really nice. Okay.
Now I know that there's one feature that I always you know, show it to people, and that is tankless water heater.
Oh yeah.
That is the thing that DR Horton started, and it is located in the garage. So it gives
we can go see that one till later.
We can we can show it quickly too.
Yeah.
When we finish, it gives you water on demand. No more big bulky tanks in the garage or in the attic.
Okay.
So
in the right side.
Right side, as you come in this plan, you're gonna see 3 bedrooms.
3 bedroom. Okay.
3 bedrooms along with 1 bathroom right here. 4 bath.
Actually, I'm watching this room. And then we can go. Okay, this is one of the bedroom.
Yeah, the rooms are
nice.
The rooms are decent size.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, I want to show you something. Like when you say like a detail, look at that.
Oh yeah. Then this is what is expected of a brand new home. No more flipping switch anymore. These are nice designer, a light switch.
Yeah, I like that.
I like that too.
And the color, the
colors are nice.
Yeah, the color.
One color on the wall is nice. Yeah.
Okay, and then we go with the second bedroom right there. Kind of same size.
I mean, 2,600 square feet is well designed in this house. It covers the bedrooms and the office for you, living room, dining room.
And then that's the 3rd bedroom. And then we go into the.
Let's take a look at this full-size bath too.
Full-size bath. One of the full-size bath. Okay, double sink. Nice, and dear. Look at me. Okay, where are you?
I'm over here waiting for you.
Yeah. Okay, this is the dining room.
Dining room, open kitchen. Appliances comes with the house.
Appliances come with the house.
Yes.
I mean, all the appliances come with the house actually.
Of course, this is a model home furniture. Does not come with it, but what you see is what you get.
Okay, when you say what you see, what you get, means you can get the refrigerator and washer dryer also.
Yes, the washer and dryer, refrigerators, all included. Now, one thing I need to mention before I forget, they have a special deal for buyers that they have buy down program where you can get in with lower interest rates.
My God.
Whether it's FHA or conventional. And also they have a deal that if you close before March, you will receive $10,000 towards your closing costs.
If you want to guess from here to the primary bedroom, like how many feet do you think?
It's about 30 feet.
30 feet.
28 feet, my guess.
That's a big one.
Yeah, but just imagine you're standing here. You have control of everybody.
Okay.
Look at this nice sink.
Yeah, when you go to the
granite
detail.
countertop.
Yeah.
I'm standing here, I'm doing the cooking, and I'm in control. I love it.
I'm in control. You need to have the remote control too with the TV.
Your guests are sitting there. Some people, kids are sitting here.
And the cabinets?
Cabinets are nice.
Okay, those cabinets are standard. It comes with any houses with the Horton.
Soft closing.
Soft closing.
That's my pet peeve. Soft closing. I love to have that.
Yeah. And I like the backsplash too.
Imagine this with some nice, fixtures, handles.
Yeah.
When
you talk about the detail, look how beautiful they make it.
It's a nice choice. Nice color, backsplash. I love that.
You don't see, some places they cut the corner and then, this is really nice actually.
No, this is done nice. Imagine down the road, when you feel like it, you can always put underlayment.
Those light cabinets, the LED lights.
Light cabinet is really nice. It highlights everything.
Let's go here and we are in the...
So your laundry room, look right there. Right next to the laundry room is a small closet.
Pantry? No, that's a closet, yeah.
Yeah, that's a closet. Pantry is right there.
And look, the laundry room is big enough.
Yeah, you can always build into it. You can always build something in here.
You can put one extra refrigerator if you want it. Anything. Right here. Yeah, anything. It's nice. Okay, that's a beautiful house.
So I like the setup of this dining room.
I'm gonna go this area right here and showing that from
especially the design of this table, dining room table.
And all like a nice window outside. Look at the natural.
So anywhere you sit in this place, in this home, is just open to you. Now, one feature that I really love about it is extra room that's back there. And that would be the fifth, to me, that's the fifth bedroom.
Yeah, we didn't go to the primary
Not
bedroom
yet.
Okay, so this is the second.
So this one is
second
bathroom. That would be basically for guests.
Let me show you.
It's sitting, toward the end of the house. The light switch I like.
Yeah, that's when you call them detail.
All right, let's move on. While we're here, we can just take a look at this patio quickly.
And then
they all come in with a cover patio. You can imagine this nice big size patio for this size home.
You can see that behind the house right here, and you can easily.
Yeah, the lots.
One pools if you need it.
The lots for this home in Tamarron usually is about 6,000 square feet all the way to 9,000 square feet, depending on the.
That's what I'm saying. Just easily you can put the pools if you want.
Yeah, some lots, of course. Yeah, you need to check into it to see if it is sizable enough for setting up a pool.
All right, let's go see the primary bedroom.
So I look at this as a split plan, which is obvious. 3 bedrooms back there. Your guest is right there. And then yours is right over here.
If you
nice.
want to go to the living room from the primary bedroom. Okay, now we're going back to the primary bedroom. Wow, look at the ceiling.
Really nice. Sizable room for big size.
Like the colors they're using.
Bed.
The colors they're using, I love it.
Colors are very trendy.
Yeah.
This color on the doors and cabinets are really trendy. Different shades of it.
And then we are in the primary bathroom. Wow. I like Bathtub. Look at it.
The bathtub. Yeah, you were commenting about that, and also I have one comment to make. For this size home, just take a look at this closet. Will you show the whole size of this closet?
Wow.
And still some room in here that I don't know why they did not do anything about it. This, I guess they left it for you to use your imagination.
Yeah.
I would put shelves in here.
You know what? Leave us a comment below.
Yeah.
What do you think?
What can you do with this? What can you do with this space? It's really not waste of space, but it's given to you. Maybe they just want you to have the flexibility of doing something there. But I can imagine it's nice.
Yeah. Please leave us, the comment below. What do you think we can use it for?
All right. So that was our primary. And we left the office or study for last. Do you think you can use that as a 6-bedroom?
I mean, if you put the closet, you can use it as a 6-bedroom.
Yeah, well, you can put a bed in here and just use it for your own taste.
Or when you work at home, that's a French double door. Yeah,
but it has multi-purpose. It can be a game room in a one-story home.
Whatever suits you, huh?
Yeah, whatever suits you. Nice, airy, and bright lights in here. Love it.
Okay.
We hope you liked our video for today. And I just want to add that whether you're looking for any homes in Fulshear, Katy, I guess Brookshire, part of the Richmond.
Yeah.
These areas are all well connected. In other words, from one street to another, it could be in different places. What you need to be looking at is the future of this area, which is tremendously under, such a growth that they are already doing the road work and expansion.
Oh, yeah.
You need to come in, take a drive, or contact us for that matter. That's what we're here for, because MJ and I, we have designed this
video channel
just for that purpose only, just to show you the homes, whether it's the area or brand new homes, particular brand new homes, the deals that are going on, incentives that our builders giving to you. We are here. He's from Katy and I'm from Fulshear, so we know our area. So send us a comment. Please like our videos so we can grow with you. Anything else you want to add?
Yeah, and I want to ask you if you have any experience with the DR Horton, just please leave us a comment and subscribe. Please just subscribe.
There are plenty of incentives available for buyers, and we like to end our video with this. This is our motto. We produce results with full service.
Yeah.
You can count on that.
Yeah, please contact us.
Thanks for watching.